What's up everyone, my name's Garrett. I'm a full-time 7-figure reseller, and in today's video, I'm gonna be going over my buying process when it comes to selling on eBay. Now, most of my content is mostly based around selling on Amazon, but as a lot of you guys know, I do sell on eBay a little bit, and a lot of you guys have been requesting me to make a video on how I analyze products before I buy them to flip them on eBay. So in this video, I wanna show you guys the 4 key data points that I look at before I make a purchase to sell a product on eBay. So let's hop on into my computer. I'm gonna go deep dive into my thought process before I'm making my buying decisions to hopefully help you guys out there when you're out in the field looking for products to help you guys make better purchasing decisions. Alrighty guys, so we're here inside of my computer and we're gonna be going over my eBay buying process. Now there's 4 key components that I look at when making a buying decision to sell products on eBay. And the first one is going to be cost of goods. That's how much is this product costing us to purchase, whether that's if I'm buying a pair of shoes and it's marked $39.99, that is our cost of goods. How much is it costing us to purchase this item? Number 2 is the market price. What is the market price on eBay, the average selling price of this product? That is an important key data point to know because you want to make sure that whatever price you're purchasing that product, your cost of goods, there's a market price on eBay that's going to leave you with a profit. So first, cost of goods. Second is identifying the market price of that item. The third data point is going to be sell-through rate. Sell-through rate is the most important factor that I consider when making a buying decision. Reason being is I want to make sure this product is selling, and I want to know if I'm going to be able to move this product in a relatively short amount of time. I like selling products fast on eBay. I'm not the type of guy that likes to sit on a ton of inventory. I think that's a very horrible business model. You should be buying stuff that's in demand and selling that you know you can actually sell once you purchase that product. The fourth thing I look at is competition. Now I sell mostly in the same exact category on eBay. So I've identified a lot of my competitors. Who am I dealing with? Who is the competition? Are they selling the same item? So on and so forth. This isn't the biggest deal, but I like to consider it because I've identified certain pricing trends that my competitors have in this category, and it's important to know you don't want to be going against someone who's willing to take pennies on the dollar for items. So that's just another thing I threw in there. So the first 3 main things are going to be the most important things I'm looking at, but we're gonna hop over to eBay and I'm gonna show you guys on their platform how I search up items, how I find the sell-through rate, how I look for the market price, so on and so forth. For this example, I'm gonna use a shoe, and the shoe model I'm going to be using is the Nike Metcon. Now we can see, actually, let's go ahead and narrow it down to a specific model just because there's so many listed. Now, the same things would apply, but I like doing very narrow research. I sell all brand new items, so I'm not really selling used, but again, you guys can follow the same exact thought process if you're selling used items, so on and so forth. But for the sake of this video, and I want it to be easy for you guys to comprehend, we're gonna search for just a specific model. So let's go ahead and let's find one here. Which Metcon do we want to search up? Let's see here. Let's go ahead and look up this shoe model right here. This is the item code, item identifier. So we're going to go ahead, copy that, and we are going to paste it in here. And what we want to look for is there's 29 results. So if I'm in the Nike outlet store and I'm looking up this specific model, I know there's 29 for sale right now. So the first thing I'm looking at is what is the price point on this? Let's say we're paying 50 bucks for this item, which is, I've sold the same exact pair of shoes, paid 50 bucks for it at the clearance outlet. So we see the market's at 119, 134, 119, 104 is the low baller right here, 109. So they're ranging anywhere from about $109 to $130 range. So that's our market price point that we're hoping to sell for. So knowing that is what other people have them listed for, we already know that's going to be profitable because we're purchasing it for $49.99. Let's say we sell it for $100 plus shipping. In the shoe category, if you have a specific level of store, it's either going to be 8% fees or 7%. For me, I get charged 7% fees on shoes, but let's just round up to 10%. I like always overestimating to be on the safe side. So we're going to have $10 in fees, so we're going to get paid out around 90 bucks. And let's say on the short side, 87. So we're still making 37 bucks. So the next thing we want to look for, we see, like I told you, 29 listed. So to check the sell-through rate, I go over and I just click on sold listings. And this is going to pull up our sold listings. We can see out of the 29 that were listed before, 15 have sold. So that's around a 50% sell-through rate, give or take a little bit higher. So it's a decent sell-through rate. I like 100% sell-through rate items just because I know I can move it quickly, but I will still buy products that have lower sell-through rates as long as I can buy the product cheap enough and I'm pricing at the bottom of that market so I know my product's gonna move before the competition. So we already know we could price at 100 plus shipping and still be extremely profitable on this item. Another thing I look for, not only at sell-through rate, because sometimes an item might have just released and 80 people have it listed, but only 15 have sold, but it's just because that shoe came out a month ago. So there's some other things I want to look for is the frequency of sales. We see one sold on June 23rd, June 15th, June 1st, May 31st. So we see this item selling quite often. It's not a super fast seller, but it definitely is moving. And we see the sold prices are anywhere from $144.99 all the way down to $106. So if I was looking to purchase this product at $49.99, I know all day I could list this for $100 plus $9.95, $12.99 shipping, and I'm gonna get that sale. So I'd be comfortable purchasing this type of item. Another thing, if you're selling like shoes or clothing or whatever that is, another key point I like to look at is not only looking at what others have sold for. Different sizes sell better than others. Like a size 7 in men's isn't going to sell as good as a size 10 or 11. So there's like a drastic change in this how often an item sells based on the size. So I like to also check out the sizes and then look for the solds as well. It doesn't seem like it's giving us, a lot of times it'll give you the opportunity to search up the size. Let's see all, customize shipping, condition. You can also look at condition, new, used. We can see there's only one used. I don't know why it's not giving me the option to pick, okay, here we go, duh. Okay, so we're gonna go up to shoe size, and let's say we're searching for a size, let's go ahead and do 10, right? We're at the Nike clearance store and we have a size 10. So what does our competition have that size listed for? We see the lowest is $104.95 plus $9.95 shipping. I could still come in here, charge $100 plus $9.95 shipping and beat him on price and still be very profitable. So that's great. Now we want to see the sell-through rate of that specific size. So we're going to go down and do the same exact thing and look at sold. We can see 2 pairs have sold, so decently, not the best sell-through rate, but we can see within the last couple months 2 have sold. So this would be a product, if I'm spending 50, I'm gonna get back 90. That's almost doubling up on my money. Even if I price this the lowest in the market and it still took, a couple months to sell, I'm perfectly fine with that. I do know returns on eBay as well. Not like Amazon where I'm getting crazy returns on shoes. So I'm perfectly fine with waiting it out a little bit to sell a product with that high of a profit margin. So that's pretty much all I do when I'm making buying decisions. It's worked out extremely well for me so far. I'm on pace to do about $250,000 in sales just on eBay alone. I also sell on GOAT as well. But eBay is a great platform. My key points that you guys should be looking at is just sell-through rate and making sure you can make a decent profit. Try to sell your products as quick as possible. I don't know why people give the advice of, hold on to an item. It doesn't matter if you sit on it for a year and a half if you're making this great profit. I'll crush people like that all day because I'm just gonna keep turning my money, selling products over and over and over again. If you wanna be the guy that sits around and waits a year or 2 for a product to sell, be my guest, but you're never gonna build a big business doing that. That's just the fact of the matter. I don't know why people recommend doing that, but hopefully you guys enjoyed and learned something. It's nothing crazy. I'm not an eBay master. I don't claim to know everything about eBay, but I've had some pretty good success, and $250,000 in sales just on the side is kind of like a side additional income to my reselling business is awesome with great profit margins. And this is just the thing. If you guys are already out there buying online or retail arbitrage, or if you're a wholesale seller, there's always opportunities on eBay. Some stuff sells a little bit better on eBay than it does on Amazon, or there's just different types of items you might not be able to sell it on Amazon. eBay doesn't have a ton of restrictions. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. And if you guys like eBay content, I have no problem kind of making eBay content. The thing is I'm not like super knowledgeable about eBay, so I don't want to go out there and just start making all these eBay videos and have people thinking that I'm an eBay know-it-all or something, because I definitely don't know everything about eBay, but I like selling on eBay. I definitely make content if you guys are interested in seeing that, so let me know in the comments below. That's gonna wrap it up for this one, and I'll see you guys on the next video.